first open Microsoft Project 2016, this screen pops up. There are a lot of things and options provided here, like new from existing project, new from Excel workbook, etc. In the projects tab, you will find many templates, ready-made templates, so that you can use. We are going to see them one by one, but let's move to the blank project first. Let's get understand basic layout of MSP. There are main tabs provided like file, task, resources, report, project, view, etc. Under that, ribbon is provided. You can always customize this ribbon as per your preferences. You can do this by right clicking here, customize ribbon. You can add or remove any commands you want by simply taking them on the right side. You can also arrange them according to the priorities using this up and down arrows. Commands are grouped in sections. For example, in task tab here, in entire ribbon there are different sections. Schedule related commands are grouped together, and likewise you can also group commands as per your needs in the same customized ribbon. Here you can create a new group and you can make your own group. Likewise, you can also collapse the ribbon by right clicking on it and saying collapse the ribbon. You want it again, you can click on the task and make it pin the ribbon. You can directly collapse the ribbon by just clicking this up arrow here. It will automatically be hidden. Under the ribbon you may find timeline. You can add milestones and other stuffs for presentation purposes. We will see this in further videos. If you don't want to see the timeline, you can turn this on or off by going to the view tab. Then in split view section there is a timeline. You can uncheck this box for you if you don't want the timeline. You can always check it to see the timeline on your screen. Then comes the main entry area on the left hand side of the screen. It's more or like Excel sheet. You will find many columns like duration, start date, finish date, etc. On the right hand side you will find the Gantt chart where activities will be graphically represented using bar shapes and many more things like links between the activities. The total view is called the Gantt chart view. You can see here and here also. On left bottom of the screen you will find a status bar. Whenever you want to add new activities, it's mode that will it be automatically or manually scheduled. We do it from here. We are going to see in details what is auto scheduled and manually scheduled activities are. For now it's better to keep it on auto schedule mode. Let's see another option to do this. Click on file, go to options. Under the schedule tab, go to the scheduling options for this project, and you can see here the new task created option. You can select from here manually scheduled or auto schedule. On the right hand side of the status bar you can notice different symbols. These are nothing but views. For example, we are currently in Gantt chart view, but there is a task usage. Next one is team planner and resource sheet. Same options you will find if you right click on the left hand side of the ribbon of the screen, along with many more options, and also same options you can notice in a view tab. So you may think why these icons are provided at the bottom right corner of the screen when we have options available already. The reason is these icons which are provided here are used very frequently by users while using MSP. It becomes very handy to switch from one view to another, taking less time than other methods.